Hello, thank you for joining me today. I'm Amanda of Inspiring Inkin and welcome to my craft room. In today's video we're going to be looking at the contents of this brown box. It's the Take Your Pick die brush tip. It's a very long title, but I promised when I did the Take Your Pick tool video that as soon as I got my hands on the die brush I would share with you what it was all about. And so the reason I'm not showing it to you is because I haven't taken it out of the box yet. So we're going to do that together. So let's turn the camera around and get started. So here is the Take Your Pick tool, which I've shared in a previous video, and I will link to that video both on YouTube and on my blog, so you can see that if you haven't seen that original video. But this is the new part and it's called the Take Your Pick die brush tip, and as you can see I haven't even got it out so this is all exciting. So it comes with two bits of foam. Okay, so two bits of foam. And then you've got this part, which is the die brush tip. It's all very crinkly. Oh, and it's really, feels a really sturdy brush. So what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the putty tip and then you're going to screw this in. That's fab. So I'll just put the putty tip to one side. Now here I have Best Blue Peter Style, one I've made earlier. This is the Tropical Thinlits dies, and I've die cut it, and as you can see it's cut all the way through, and it's got these lovely little holes, which is what these brushes are designed to do. So let's just see how this copes. Sorry, it's going to be a bit noisy. And you're just going to run it over the top and then let's just lift it off. Oh, that's fabulous, brilliant. Okay, so we can just go over these extra little bits, and can you see how the cardstock is curling up? I don't think that bit was cut properly. Hang on. Yeah, we're all there. So look how easy this is all popping out. A bit there. Da-da-da. Fab. So basically it's just made the releasing of those pieces really easy. Let's just see if I can just get that last little bit actually. The other good thing about this is you've got a pokey tool end as well. That's a tiny bit. So let's just move it out of the way. So look, it's really lovely. It's come away cleanly. You've obviously got little bits of paper here. I am actually just going to pause the video just for a second. You won't notice, I don't think. I'll be gone and come back again, just to check to see if this will fit in one of the wood mount cases. So don't move a muscle, I'll be back. Did you notice I was gone? I've got a wood mount case here. And yeah, look. That fits perfectly, as does that. So they can go and be stored like that. So that will just protect the foam. These wood mount cases are still available, even though we don't sell wood mount stamps anymore, because we use them for all sorts of storage. So this is the full size, and then there is a half size as well. Obviously the half size isn't going to fit your phone, but this fits perfectly. So that is a great thumbs up from me for this new tool, and it just unscrews and we'll get the new the putty back in there like that. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and my blog, which is www.inspiringinkin.com. And there you'll find an online store. You can shop with me 24/7. And if you're on YouTube as well, just scroll down and all of the products that I've used today will be listed there for you to just click and shop. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.